Welcome to our guide on using your vaginal applicator with StrataMGT, the non-hormonal and non-steroidal gel for vaginal atrophy, lichenoid dermatoses, and other mucosal conditions. Step 1. Get ready. Wash your hands thoroughly before use. Take the applicator out of its packaging. Ensure both the applicator and your hands are clean. Step 2. Prepare the tube. On first use of the tube, remove the cap and cut the nozzle just above the screw section. Step 3. Fill the applicator. Attach the applicator securely to the tube. Squeeze the tube gently to fill the applicator. You may use the guide marks to help you understand over time how much gel is the right amount for you. Tip: place the applicator in a glass so the gel does not leak. Close the tube with the cap after use. Step 4. Gel application. Lying on your back, insert the applicator gently into the vagina and press the plunger to distribute the gel evenly internally. A comfortable position will make the application easier. Step 5. Cleanup. After use, separate the plunger from the barrel and wash the applicator with warm water and mild soap. Please be sure to wash and rinse soap from the applicator. Allow the applicator to air dry before storing. StrataMGT is an advanced formulation that requires substantially less gel per application than typical creams or gels. The 5-gram tube contains enough gel for approximately 2 to 3 weeks supply, the 10-gram tube for approximately 4 to 6 weeks supply, and the 28.4-gram tube for approximately 12 to 16 weeks supply. Start by applying StrataMGT once daily or as needed or advised by your physician. As your symptoms improve, you may gradually reduce how often you apply it according to your needs, decreasing from daily application to 3 to 4 days or longer. StrataMGT may be reapplied more frequently if necessary to provide symptomatic relief. For more information about the product, case studies, or to participate in our clinical trials, visit StrataMGT.com or us.stratamgt.com for U.S. residents.